Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to create a Facebook page. First, tap on the three-line menu bar in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Pages. Now tap Create to start a new page. Choose Professional, then tap Next. Enter your page name, then tap Next. Choose a category that best describes your page, like education, business, or personal blog, and tap Create. Next, fill in your page's basic information, then tap Next. Add a profile picture and a cover photo to make your page stand out, then tap Next. You may also select your friends to like your new page, then tap Next and Invite. Finally, tap Done to create your page. And that's it, your Facebook page is ready. To switch between your profiles and pages, tap the menu icon. Select your profile page and choose which one you want to use. It will automatically switch without logging out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.